Taking the journey to cloud is a popular topic among healthcare professionals who are looking to heighten their focus on patient care. This three-part series will detail the healthcare cloud journey, including selecting the right cloud provider, Epic Cloud adoption, and simplifying steady-state operations with a customer success manager. When looking at adapting and evolving your Epic deployments, the choice to transfer to the cloud may seem like the easy solution. However, starting your cloud journey and selecting the right cloud provider can be more challenging than it appears. The road to cloud adoption is often long and winding, and if you select a cloud provider without properly vetting them, you will undoubtedly face unexpected challenges. So what steps should be taken during cloud selection to avoid unexpected challenges and ensure a smooth adoption? Your first step should be to define your mission-critical application requirements, such as HIPAA and high-trust mandates, and flexible options for cloud economics and scalability. Other critical considerations could also be ancillary application hosting and ongoing management capabilities. These requirements often correlate with common cloud adoption business drivers, which will help identify your organization's unique needs. Distilling these requirements and drivers determines what to look for during the selection process, ensuring you find a provider best suited for your needs. Now that the right provider is in place, you can confidently progress with your Epic Cloud adoption, though that path may be harder to traverse than you think. Thank you for watching Part 1 of our Healthcare Cloud journey. Part 2 will discuss the next step in your cloud journey, preventing Epic Cloud adoption challenges in order to accelerate innovation. In Part 1 of our Healthcare Cloud journey, we discussed how to choose the right cloud provider by defining your requirements. After your provider is selected, the next step is cloud adoption. But how does cloud adoption accelerate health system innovation? And what causes Epic Cloud adoption challenges? Epic Cloud adoption, whether migrating or implementing, is a complex process, and challenges often occur due to lack of planning, documentation, communication, or definition. Avoiding these pitfalls is critical, but equally important is having the right tools, technologies, and personnel to handle cloud adoption complexities. The easiest solution to this problem is choosing a cloud provider who has the required Epic experience and offers white-glove delivery. By simplifying Epic Cloud adoption, you can prevent challenges before they arise and smoothly move to cloud while offloading complexities to your cloud provider. Once in the cloud, IT staff can focus on new initiatives, such as pursuing a virtual care model and optimizing their applications. Leveraging application managed services in the cloud also allows organizations to concentrate their efforts on innovation and improving patient care. Transferring Epic to the cloud gives IT staff the ability to not only innovate, but also respond to unexpected situations, such as the recent global pandemic. However, even with application managed services, you'll still need a trusted advisor to oversee steady-state operations and optimization. And the answer might even be a conductor. Thank you for watching Part 2 of our Healthcare Cloud journey. Part 3 will discuss how you can simplify steady-state cloud operations with a customer success manager. In Part 2 of our Healthcare Cloud journey, we discuss the pitfalls and perks of Epic Cloud adoption, including the causes of adoption challenges and the benefits once in the cloud. Still, the journey doesn't end once you land in the cloud. Even with application managed services, someone will need to oversee steady-state operations. We recommend a customer success manager. Healthcare organizations require a trusted advisor that has their best interests in mind. And a customer success manager, or CSM, delivers just that, providing one hand to shake simplicity for service delivery, environment management, and cloud optimization. Think of the CSM as a conductor that unifies the performers, sets the tempo, and ensures a quality performance. A CSM maintains open communication with both the cloud provider's teams and your key contacts to simultaneously meet needs while removing potential roadblocks. Once the teams are in place, the tempo is set and the performance begins. The CSM works directly with the client to set priorities and, as your trusted advisor, shares knowledge and best practices from other Epic customers, accelerating potential improvements. After the piece begins, the CSM oversees the entire performance. A repeatable support process guarantees required service levels. Project timelines, availability, and performance are continually met. And quality is not only ensured for this performance, but also for future cloud strategies. A customer success manager ties together your entire cloud journey, enabling you to get the most out of your Epic applications. Thanks for watching the final part of our healthcare cloud journey. To learn about Virtustream's healthcare solutions and how we work better together with Dell Technologies to increase efficiency for our clients, please visit our website.